Hello, Michelin here, and in today's training, I will provide you information about the Cricut Explore Air 2 and its accessories, with the aim of helping you feel more comfortable and confident to guide your clients. Cricut is the brand name of a range of smart cutting machines and its accessories. It belongs to Provocraft, a company based in Utah, United States. Michaels doesn't have the exclusivity of these products, but offers by far the largest selection of Cricut accessories and cutting material in North America. As you know, the technology department located in Michaels' scrapbooking and paper art section is constantly growing. The Cricut Explore Air 2 is the most popular personal electronic cutting machine, and it is important that you understand the features of this product. For example, did you know that the only difference between the Air 1 and the Air 2 is the cutting speed that is up to twice as fast? It's a major improvement, but everything else is the same. But what's in the box of the Explore Air 2? The machine, of course. It is currently available at Michaels in the following colors: black matte, mint, coral, glacier blue, and periwinkle. The machine comes with the new 12x12 light grip blue cutting mat, the power cord to plug into an outlet, a USB cord to connect it to a computer if necessary, because it also has built-in wireless Bluetooth, a black pen that goes into the accessory adapter to write and draw, bilingual instructions to get you started, as well as a link to the Cricut Design Space program, a cardstock sample to create your first project, and a carbide premium blade already pre-assembled. Here's the back of my Cricut machine. There's a power port and a USB port to connect it to a computer. The button Open opens the machine, the button Power turns it on. The Smart Set dial allows you to select the type of material for a given project. Here are the buttons Load and Unload, Go, and Pause. There are two clamps, one for accessories A and one for the blade B, which is already pre-assembled and included. The rollers and guides for the cutting mat. A cubby for storing your Cricut tools. And another storage compartment for the housings and spare blades. Note that it is magnetized. A cup for more tools, and finally, the built-in port to use Cricut cartridges from previous versions of the machine. We offer several accessories with the Cricut. Let's start with the mat. The mat plays an essential role with all Cricut machines. It has a side with adhesive used to hold the material while the machine cuts. Now it's the light grip mat that is included with the Air 2, and I'm pleased about that, because the Cricut machines used to come with a green standard grip mat, but it is so sticky when it's new that several clients ruin their first project and return the product to the store. The green mat is especially useful for cardstock, vinyl, and iron-on transfers. We sell a third mat, even stickier, the purple strong grip mat, ideal for chipboard, thick glitter cardstock, leather, or bonded fabric. There are also the 12x24 inches mats for larger projects. Some very useful accessories are not included with the Cricut machine. For example, the weeder. It has a sharp hook and it's perfect to remove unnecessary parts. Really a must when working with vinyl or iron-on. It's my favorite tool. Second, I would suggest the scraper. It is very convenient to scrape the small pieces of paper that are stuck on the cutting mat. We sell different sizes, and I would say the bigger, the better. The spatula tool and tweezers are also practical to remove from the mat detailed projects without damaging them. There's also the scoring stylus that goes into the accessory adapter to make fold lines. It is very useful for making cards and envelopes, small boxes, or 3D objects, because the machine cuts the shapes and makes the crease lines in a single step. To install it, open the clamp A, then insert the tool into the accessory adapter until you feel a click and the arrow of the pen disappears, and finally close the clamp. Make sure that the project you do requires a scoring stylus. The fold lines are dotted in the Cricut Design Space program. Just rely on the scored lines for perfect folds every time. To add text and drawn shapes to your creations, Cricut offers pens in various tip sizes and in many colors, including the metallic pens that are superb. The Cricut Explore allows you to add text that seem to be handwritten. You can even draw coloring pages, like this example of stickers to color. These markers are designed to go into the accessory adapter, and they are installed just like the scoring tool. By the way, you can always change a cut line on a shape or letter for a draw line instead. Michaels also sells a wide selection of Cricut blades. There are the standard spare blades designed for the Cricut Explore range. You can get the blades alone or with the silver housing. This is the blade holder. In the past, we called them the German carbide blades, and now they are just a standard or premium fine point blades, but it's the same blade and same housing as previously. Made for the Explore machines, there's also the deep cut blade that comes with its own black housing. This deep blade has an angle of 60 degrees versus 45 and is made of more rigid and durable steel. The housing is shorter than the standard to give more space for thicker material. This blade replaces the standard blade when you make deep cuts in magnet sheets, thick cardboard, chipboard, foam sheets, fake leather, and select felt and bonded fabrics. To install it, simply open the blade clamp B, pull the standard housing up to remove it, and replace it with a black deep cut housing. Other blades and housings are also available, like this one that is for older models of Cricut, the Expression or the Mini. When you're not satisfied anymore with the cuts from your Cricut machine, it's time to change the blade. Simply depress the housing plunger and carefully remove the blade by squeezing it between the fingers. No danger of getting cut. Remove the protective cap on the new blade and drop it into the opening. Then put the housing back in its place. Now I can't end this video about the Cricut Air 2 without talking about the new Martha Stewart Special Edition. Martha has partnered with Cricut and Michaels to offer this great bundle. It's the same machine, but it comes in a radiant vanilla pearl finish and gold accents with a 12x12 light grip cutting mat. And a complimentary gold version of all the essential tools is included: tweezers, weeder, spatula, scissors, and scraper. The Martha bundle also includes 25 ready-to-make projects selected by Martha Stewart. Count on big value and wow-worthy results. Et voilà! I hope you understand better the different characteristics of the Cricut Air 2 as well as its accessories. In the next training videos, see the types of material that are compatible with the Cricut Explore and how to use different tools to manipulate text and images in the Cricut Design Space program. Thanks for watching!